Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I made some pesto chicken. The way you do it is you get some organic chicken wings, right? You drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and then when they're raw, uncooked, you get basil pesto and then rub them down and squeeze some lemon juice on them and cook them in the oven at 350 degrees until they're nice and golden. Now what pesto is basil, salt, pepper, pine nuts, olive oil, and garlic. There are a lot of variations on Italian pesto, but that's pretty much the standard, and you can make that easily with your blender with fresh basil and pine nuts and stuff, or you can buy it pre-made. But it is really good pesto chicken, very popular in Italian cuisine. So hopefully this recipe will give you some ideas on some things you can do to spice up your chicken recipes.